बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। एक क्वेश्चन जे मेंस 2023 के एग्जाम में पूछा गया था। लेट a belongs to R and alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 60 raised to 1 fourth x plus a is equal to 0 if alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 is equal to minus 30, product of all possible values of a. So what they've given is alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. For the quadratic equation, this particular rule applies. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Here b is this one, 60 raised to 1 fourth. A is equal to 1 and C is equal to A. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B divided by A, that is minus 60 raised to 1 by 4. Let us assume this thing as a T. So alpha plus beta will be equal to minus T. Also the alpha into beta, the product of these roots is equal to C divided by A. So here C is equal to A and A is 1. So it is basically A. Alpha into beta is equal to A. Now what they've given is alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 is equal to minus 30. Now since we know this alpha beta and alpha plus beta's values, what we will do is that we will restructure this equation in terms of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. So this thing can be written in this format. Alpha raised to 4 plus beta raised to 4 is equal to alpha square plus beta square and the bracket square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Let us restructure this one in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So we can write this equation, this term like this: alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and then the square bracket square minus 2 alpha beta square is equal to minus 30. Now here we know the alpha plus beta's values, there is minus t, then alpha into beta's value is a, and then alpha into beta's value is again a. So solving this further, what we get is t raised to 4 plus 4a square minus 4at square minus 2a square plus 30 is equal to 0. 2a square minus 4t square a plus 30 plus t raised to 4. So this equation has again come out in the quadratic equation format. Okay. So it is like ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. So c will be this, minus b will be this one, and a will be 2. Now what they are asking is the product of all values of a. So basically a will be the roots of these equations. Okay, roots of these equations, say alpha 1 and beta 1. If you take the product of that, so that will be alpha 1 beta 1 will be alpha 1 and beta 1 will be actually the values of a, and then product of that will be equal to c upon a. In this quadratic equation, c is 30 plus t raised to 4 and a is 2. So if you solve this further, what we get is 45, and that will be the product of all possible values of a. Thanks for watching.